Back in the day, the query hash was a classic MySQL feature loved by many developers. Nowadays, it is considered practically useless. Here's why. Back in the day, MySQL introduced the query hash with an intention to speed up the reading of data. The idea was simple. If you have executed a query before and the underlying data did not change, your database would provide you with a hashed result. In theory, this was supposed to dramatically improve performance for read-heavy workloads. When a query came in, MySQL checked if that exact query was in the hash. If yes, it returned a hashed result. If not, it ran the query and stored the result for future use. Any change to the underlying data invalidated the hash. Nowadays, the query hash is practically useless. In most real-world apps, data changes frequently. Every insert, update, or delete operation invalidates the query hash. You have zero influence on which queries are going to be hashed or not. It's all or nothing. You also have no influence on how long the query is going to be hashed either. This means that if your data is infrequently updated, the query hash could serve stale data. Starting with MySQL 5.7, the query hash was deprecated, and in MySQL 8 it was completely removed. That is a clear sign of its declining usefulness. If you still want to hash your queries, keep in mind that modern hashing solutions like Redis or memcached, along with optimized queries and indexing and a focus on schema designed to reduce load, could outperform the original MySQL query hash by miles. The query hash, once a hero, is now a relic of the past. If you have found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech insights, and leave your questions below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.